This channel is documenting the journey to make $1 million on YouTube. And not even related to YouTube or making money, do you guys like my haircut? I gotta be honest, that's the main point of this video. Please be honest in the comments. I also want to apologize about the reverb. I'm actually in my apartment's gym right now. We're very lucky that right here, as you can see, is the gym inside of my apartment. Kind of small, but you know what? I can still get a good workout in, but I want to do this video here so you can see it, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I like it. You can see it like this in the mirror too. You know, also you have like the mirrors here, so it's easy to see like the full 30, 60 degree thing. But let me know what you think. Do you like it better or worse than my previous haircut? Here's a picture of my previous haircut. I don't know. I feel like it's a little too short. Maybe I'm just used to it being too long. I mean, it's also been super hot out. But another big thing, if I can show you like the sides, I feel like the top's gonna be too like poofy. Like there's like a lot here. I don't know. I've been looking at my haircut recently because I got it yesterday and I'm like, I just don't know. Because I have asked a couple of my friends and they like it. But I do believe in this and I stand by it. Not in a bad way to any of my friends, but I think the true test of a really, really good friend is if they say you have a bad haircut. Because let's say you're wearing a shirt, right? And you're like, hey man, is this a good shirt? And they say, not really, we can change it, right? So it's very common to be like, oh, should I wear this shirt out tonight? Or whatever. But with a haircut, I'm kind of stuck with it. I mean, I guess I can go back and try to cut it shorter, but because my hair is typically longer, it's one of those situations a bit kind of tough to deal with. And I will say, the friends that I did ask are usually very honest with me, but I don't know. Something about it, maybe like, let me see if I can do like a pan with the camera. Try to like a shot like that, right? I mean, obviously you can see the back of it in the mirror too, but I don't know. I'm stuck with it. And also I will say on a good note, my hair grows absurdly fast. So even if I don't really like it, and even if you guys are like, hey Mark, I'm not gonna lie, looked better before, in probably like a week or two, it'll be back to normal. So at least my hair grows really fast, but be honest, post in the comments. Do you like it better now or from before?